Marico is an Indian consumer goods company that operates primarily in the beauty and wellness, and health and wellness segments. The company's products include hair care, skin care, edible oils, and health foods, among others. Marico's shares are listed on the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, in India. Marico was founded in 1987 by Harsh Mariwala, who is currently the chairman of the company. Marico has a presence in over 25 countries, including India, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Egypt, and its products are sold in over 100 countries. The company has a market capitalization of approximately $12 billion, as of April 2023, and is one of the leading companies in the Indian consumer goods industry. Marico has a diversified portfolio of brands, including Parachute, Saffola, Nihar, Live-In, Set Wet, and True Roots, among others. Parachute is the leading hair oil brand in India, and Saffola is the leading edible oil brand in the country. Nihar is a popular hair oil brand in Bangladesh, and Set Wet is a men's grooming brand that is popular in India. Marico's financial performance has been strong in recent years. In the fiscal year 2021-22, the company reported a revenue of 100.57 billion Indian rupees, approximately $1.34 billion, which represents a growth of 24% over the previous year. The company's net profit for the year was 13.27 billion Indian rupees, approximately $177 million, which represents a growth of 47% over the previous year. Marico's share price has performed well in recent years, with the stock delivering returns of over 20% per annum over the past 5 years. As of April 2023, Marico's share price is trading at approximately 653 Indian rupees, approximately $8.70, which represents a significant increase from its IPO price of 10 Indian rupees, approximately 13 cents, in 1996. In conclusion, Marico is a leading player in the Indian consumer goods industry, with a diversified portfolio of brands that cater to various segments of the market. The company has a strong financial performance and has delivered significant returns to its shareholders over the years.